Y'all know how much I love hair accessories, like love, ultimately love. Well, this video is going to be showing you some cute hair accessories to dress up any two-bun style. I was actually inspired by Rapsody from the hip hop awards on BET the other night. She was rocking this really cute, turns out it's a headpiece, hairstyle with rhinestones placed all over her head, and I was obsessed. So you know how to recreate it. That is exactly what you'll be seeing in this video. If you want to know how I did it, keep watching. Alright, so I decided to create these hair pieces, which I will show you now. So I started by going to Family Dollar and getting these black clips, or actually it was a Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. I wish I would have gotten more, but these worked. Next I went to Michael's and I picked up these jewels. I didn't think that they were gonna actually have the size that I wanted, so I was extremely excited when I found the size, and they had so many in there. Next, you need a hot glue gun and hot glue, and I already had that at home. You're gonna start by gluing a little bit of the clip, and I just did the top part of the clip because I find that was the easiest way. I did open the clip before putting the hot glue gun or the hot glue on there, and then I just placed a little dollop of the glue at the top, and then after that I just took the jewel and placed it on top, and you really just need to lightly push. I continued to do this for the rest. A little dollop on the top, apply a jewel and push it on there, and then let it dry. I let it dry for a few hours before actually applying the clips in my hair. This is how I just found was the easiest, and I didn't want to get any of the glue or have the jewels fall off. And then I just continued to do this. So they were quick and easy to create, but then I also saw these pearl pieces from, where did I get these from? Ulta. So I was like, maybe I could do a combination of the both and see how they go, since I'm just using her photo as an inspo. So I am gonna do the two ponytails like she had as well, because I did like that. I'm just gonna create this down the middle. I'm kind of excited because I haven't done any inspo, hair inspo photos in a while. So you kind of want this to be slick, but I'm not going to be doing it super slick, because I think I want it to be kind of like a messy type look rather than like a super sleek. She had a little piece on the side, which I did like, so I'm going to leave this side piece out. Side piece, my side piece. And then we're just going to take this Sweetie Edge Control towel, have some texture. You can either do some texture like me, or you can do a super sleek two buns. I'm pretty sure she had hers super sleek. So then I just created a loose bun like this. She had some cute, I'll insert the photos that I'm referencing to. She had some cute swirl buns, but I'm just gonna leave mine like that, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. See, I like how these are kind of like messy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the edges some more, so my baby hairs, unless I'm going for like a super sleek look, I don't mind the messy look. And then she had this in like a swirl. So after digging through and finding a bunch of videos, well, not a bunch of videos, but just like doing my research to see who created her hairstyle, I shortly realized that her pieces in her hair, it was a whole headpiece. A little swirl if you want. I just didn't have the patience to continue. All right, so I'm just gonna place these all over. I think I'm gonna start with the jewels to see what I get. So I'm just kind of placing these where I see fit. But I want them to be alternating. I don't want like the same color or pattern. I want it to be crazy. Okay, 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 okay. Cute. I should have just went with, I wasn't sure how they were going to turn out when I bought them, so I should have just went and got, or I should have bought more of the clips like this rather than those pearl pieces from Ulta. I only made 10. Okay, I'm just gonna try one of these. I kind of like the pearls. I like the pearls. All right, so let's continue to add. Now we're adding the pearls throughout. I feel proud. This is like a good DIY moment. But the thing I like about these pearls is that they just twist in, so they're super easy to use as well. They were on the more, you know, pricier side compared to the clips and the rhinestones. The jewels are from, as I mentioned, from Michael's, so those were a little pricey. And the cheapest thing were the clips, and I already had the hot glue gun, so I didn't have to get that. Love these clips. Super easy to make. It actually looks really similar to Rapsody's hairstyle, her little headpiece, because those were like professionally done. But here we have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's actually really easy, and like I said, I was gonna go and get some more of the clips and create the little pieces because you saw how easy they were to make. I did not expect them to be that easy to make and for me to love them that much, but I'm really about to go get some more of those, and you're about to see me rocking this hairstyle, okay, these clips, all that, okay, because this is cute. These are cute, really cute. Love them. So if you like videos like these, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles.